Back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to use AI to generate thumbnails for free for your YouTube channels. So basically you generate the thumbnail with an AI for free on Canva. So I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to do it and how to use the prompts. So first things first, go to your Canva, that's canva.com. Then you will see on the top right, that's the top right of the website, you see make me an image with a rainbow color, yeah, with a rainbow on the left side. So you just have to click it, make me an image. Then you see the prompt. What will you imagine today? So this prompt area, I'll be putting in what I need from the AI. So basically, I want to make a thumbnail for the video we're uploading today, and the video is about how to put your WhatsApp on your PC. So I'll be making a prompt that will be very clear to the viewers, and as well be able to generate as well. You understand? Let's dive in. So my video is about linking WhatsApp to your PC. So first things first, I'll generate a prompt about the video I want to make. So the video is about I'll be uploading the video today anyways. So the video is about putting your WhatsApp, linking your WhatsApp to your PC. So I'll search in a prompt like make me a YouTube, emphasis on YouTube, thumbnail with caption with, let me write bold letters, because I want the letters to be bold, visible to my audience. You understand? Bold letters. Then I'll write the bold letter what I want. That's basically how to link your WhatsApp to PC. So I'll make more emphasis on what I want actually to be in this video. So I want the letters to be white. I want the letters to be white, and the background should have a WhatsApp logo, right? Yeah, a WhatsApp logo with, I think I'll add the caricature with a caricature. A caricature can be female or male. Pointing to the letter, boldly written. Good stuff. So let's search this. Let's know. So you have to go to here, click create, and let's know what they come up with. So it will load up here. Make me a YouTube thumbnail with bold letters. How to link your PC, your WhatsApp to your PC. I want the letters to be white, and the background should have a WhatsApp logo with the caricature pointed to the letter boldly. Now you can see the options. So this first one is how to link WhatsApp to PC. But you can see the mistake they made. This is actually good, but the mistake is here. How to link, the yo is to be instead of, you can see the mistake here. Okay, oh, this one, how to link your WhatsApp to PC. They have a mistake here, AP. How to link your WhatsApp to PC. Then The final one, how to link your WhatsApp review. I think this one is the best. This one is the best. No mistake. How to link your WhatsApp review. So let me open it. Let's see what they made. How to link your WhatsApp. You see, if I was to edit this on Canva by myself, I'll first of all do the background, then find a YouTube logo, then find a caricature that is free because I'm using the free Canva. Create a caricature that is free, then write this with the font. This font, to find this font is usually hard, but with this prompt it's very easy and straight to the point. Now if I put this as a thumbnail to my YouTube channel, you bet that people will click because this is very straightforward and bold, and you can clearly see what the video is about. So I think this is perfect. So how to download this, you have to just go, you can see these two options here. This one is copy, this one is download, this one is edit. That's if you have anything you want to write, but yeah, I'm okay. So I'll just click the download and wait for it to download. Make me a YouTube font and done. Now this is in my folder, so if I want to upload my videos, I can easily open it and you can see it's in my folders now. Save all photos. So if I want to upload my YouTube video, I will just have to put it as a thumbnail, and that's easy peasy. So basically, you just have to have fun with the description area. Be very specific. You can see how I made this. I said I want the letters to be white and the background should have a WhatsApp logo. Now you can clearly see the letters are white, then the background has a WhatsApp logo. Even this one is not a WhatsApp logo, the background, but at least they tried. This one is not a WhatsApp logo, but this one that I saved, you can see the WhatsApp logo at the background. Then a caricature. I wanted something that will be pointing to the letter, so it will be like, see what I'm talking about. You get? So this AI is very accurate, but based on the prompts you are using. So you have to make the prompt very specific. Tell them exactly what you want, and you see the results. And that's basically how it's done. If this video was very helpful to you, please like, subscribe and share. Drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this. This my thumbnail okay to upload? Is it okay like for a thumbnail? Yeah, let's interact in the comment section. Let's go.